I think it could be him.
And what do you think of this?
Not particularly for the crown, you should come here, but today, because we are doing the front, we should have a touch on the crown too. We will talk about hairline level and hairline style in the other topic, but still you don't have a large area. You have enough graft number to cover here and here. We will decide this together. I will give you some recommendations and you will tell me your expectations. So we will find a common point and we will start with the hairline from there. But I'd like to see your previous photos. Okay, still you have the hair loss already receding. I mean, it's not a proper hairline, so probably we will have a little bit better than that hairline actually.
Okay, good.
I will draw the line and show it to you.
You always have to cover this area here.
Even in 2000s photos, we are doing the similar thing. We're starting from here, so you have the fringe more lower appearance actually. So our plan is to create a frontal density for you. I can see that there's a transition area from front to crown with some transition of miniaturization too. Miniaturization means the hair thinning. So probably you don't lose those hairs, but those hairs become thinner. So at that time, when we see here, it looks more lower density. Here, we will just improve the thickness, and in the crown, we will improve the thickness. So the plan is like that. We probably need to follow the same hairstyle, so that would be great for us. Actually, your front and your crown is not too large. I mean, you don't have a mid-scalp portion too much, so it's included in the crown. We will do the crown too. If we don't want a very straight, very low hairline, probably we can cover your front and crown today too. I think, for example, for you more important if we don't take it so low, because we have a large area to cover. If we extend the area, then we have a larger area to cover.
Oh, okay.
Probably we'll get over 4,000, 4,200 grafts with you. So we will have some coverage to crown too. But in the end, I mean, we will have a very good frontal part. The crown area could be not 100% covered.
Yeah.
You should know that. We try to do our best to get the maximum extraction, but still it's some possibility.
Transformation.
Well, hello, my name is Jimmy and I'm from Seattle. I'm proud that I finally did what I intended to do and I'm very satisfied with the outcome.
Hi, I'm Joey Reyes, a friend of Jimmy. We're from Seattle, Washington, and this is a long time coming. I've been excited to do this, and finally it happened, and it's just like a dream come true, and so excited to go home with a new hair, more hair. Just looking forward to the future. So yeah, more hair.
Actually, a friend of mine, name is Roel, did his in 2022 and he's been asking me, but I wasn't, emotionally ready, and it's been building up, but it's just not there until one time Joey and I were talking along with our wives, and I didn't know that he was interested in having a hair transplant. So we were talking together, and boom, when he mentioned that he's interested, that made us a little bit more serious. And so everything worked out together, finally came together, and here we are.
That makes me realize why not do it that time. You know, I want to do it because I'm with him. It just gives me a support. So my friends said, let's do it. And then it gives me more courage to do it rather than by myself. At least I have an opinion, you know, a kind of support system.
Yourself.
That's a good.
I've never thought of that, but I'd say hopefully transformation,
I just need a new face, new horizon, new future.
new beginning.
In the beginning.
I think it could be him, and I'm confident about this because he's got a background with Navy. They're always structured. Even during this trip, he always reminds me of what I should be doing next.
Yeah. I guess it's just bringing and also my background. You know, it's like I have to do it. I have to do it. It just keeps me in my mind. It's just a crazy thing. You know, it's like.
So we'll push each other, we'll remind each other, makes it easier.
I was kind of nervous at first, and I was expecting pain. Not so much pains, but that's one of the things is the anesthesia at first, and also facing down for the extraction. But the rest, transplantation, same thing. After that, it just went so smooth, and I fell asleep when they're doing the plantation, you know, the transplantation.
I'd say the pain was legit. I have to be honest. I have a high tolerance for pain. You know, I felt like it's well worth it. And Dr. Erdogan's staff, the nurses, they're great. Took good care of me. I forgot their names. One of them is Nida. I forgot her name, but all three of them were great, professional, took really good care. And Dr. Erdogan was excellent. The pain is a small price to pay.
Yeah, that's true. That's good. Yeah, small step.
What I would like to tell them is, looking back, now that I have had my transplant, looking back, I wish I have done this 15, 20 years ago. And so for the people who are hesitant or on the fence of wanting to get it done, I'd say the time is now or the time is soon. I really wish we have it done a lot younger, when I was a lot younger.
Yeah. So in my case, I didn't really lose my hair till late in my years. So maybe on my 50s, that's when I see, you know, baldness and increasing hairline. But I think it's timing. For me, it's just right. I did it when I'm already retired, so I don't have to go back to work, and I have more time to stay home, not doing anything, just to relax. So I think for me, at the same time, I got somebody to go with. I think it's a combination between timing too. If you have that time and then the planning already set in the early, and you want to do it early. That's what I mean. Thank you.
Well, thank you, Dr. Erdogan and the rest of the staff. There's no place like this to get it done.
Yeah, but looking at this, we're going to show it to our friends and relatives, and we're going to be ambassador of Hair Smile Clinic from now on. So thank you, everybody.
Maybe they'll have to wait 6 months, maybe a year.
A year, so yeah. When they see the result, yeah.
But so far, everything is exceeding our expectations.
Yes.